Hi everyone, you're welcome to Gift Nature Concepts. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be looking at natural ways we can control cough, natural ways we can handle cough. This season, so many people are experiencing it. It's in the air. You know, if you don't see somebody coughing, you'll see somebody having a sore throat and some even running nose. So we want to look at natural ways we can handle this issue. We want to look at how we can use what we eat, the normal food you eat, and you use it to take care of this cough without it affecting you negatively. So with me here, they'll have so much that is on this table. The first recipe we'll be talking about is onion. How you can use onion and your ginger, fresh ginger, to treat cough. This is an instant way of treating cough. Assuming you are coughing or you just started experiencing it and you are at home, the best thing you can do is just to go to your kitchen, get just small onion. You don't need much. Wash it and peel off the back just this way. Then you get your ginger, you wash, peel, and you dice. You don't need to do much, just a little of this. Depending on how the cough is, you will now add more of this. I'm not experiencing it now. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video. So if you're experiencing cough and you want to treat it immediately, it's disturbing you, maybe you have a function you want to attend, you can just rush into the kitchen, slice your onion and your ginger in this way and start chewing them. Just put them in your mouth. Chew them. It's going to be a little bit hot because of the ginger, and by the time you chew maybe half of your onion and a little bit of ginger, you discover that the cough will instantly cease. I'm not telling you what I just read or what I just researched. I'm telling you what I have tested in my home among my children. By the time they come back from school and they're having some reaction, just a ginger, pieces of ginger and pieces of onion in this direction will take care of everything. So onion is a powerful recipe for cough. And for those of us that maybe at night you find it difficult to sleep because of cough will not allow you to sleep. If you can cut just this onion, you get it in a bigger form. This is smaller for my mouth. Just cut this and put it in your mouth, just this way, and inhale it. By the time you inhale it 2-3 times or more than that, you will discover that the cough you will be relieved of that cough. In case you cannot do this before sleeping or anyhow, that this is a very strong method of handling cough. And also you can just pieces it and put it by your bedside if you are sleeping to help you to sleep better. Onion itself makes one to sleep very well. It relaxes the nerves. So having this, if you are experiencing cough, is a good way of handling cough. And the second method we are going to look at is also, it has to do with our ginger. Ginger is a very powerful spice which I advise every family to have at home as an emergency or a first aid. This is what we are going to do in case you are suffering from sore throat and at the same time you're coughing. This is exactly what you need. Get your ginger, you pieces it this way. You make sure you get enough of it. Just pieces it in a way can diffuse properly. When you do this, the next item you are going to add is your lemon. This is my lemon here. I'm going to, I'll use this full lemon, because I'm going to use this for a while. So I'm going to slice this, anyhow you want to do it, any pattern you want, just make sure it is properly sliced. So I have this in this direction. You gather them together and you get a jar just like this, something that's have a very good cover that is airtight. You drop your ginger and the lemon into the jar exactly this way. You pack them into the jar exactly this way. You can add more of the lemon. So I have my lemon and my ginger for sore throat and cough. So the next thing I have to do is to add honey. This is organic honey. Make sure it's organic honey. You add it to the onion, to the lemon and the ginger exactly this way. Make sure you have enough, at least to cover to half of it, or you cover it all. So what you do is to allow it to sit in this way. You shake it. Make sure you shake it very well. I need to add a little bit of honey. Make sure it's properly covered and allow it to sit for a day. By the time you put this in your fridge and the next morning, what you need to do is just to get it open. Take just a tablespoon for an adult, a tablespoon of this mixture. You take in the morning, you take afternoon, and also at night. You will discover a very great relief. And gradually you discover that the cough and the sore throat is gone. And for the sore throat, you can also use water, warm water with salt to gargle your mouth. It also helps to relieve the sore throat. As you are taking this, you are gargling with warm water and your salt mixture. Gargle in the morning and also at night. You discover that this will take care of the cough and the sore throat will be gone. This is a good method of taking care of cough. With this, you don't need much to do with the cough. So with all this inside, by the time it stays all of the over the night, you discover that it's good for you. The next recipe we are going to look into is this. This is what I have here is my ginger. I have my ginger, I have my lemon, I have also my clove. I have my clove here. This mixture here has been boiled for 5 minutes. Allow it to sit for 5 minutes. After this, you remove it from the gas and you now take. what you are going to do is just get your glass cup and you sieve. You sieve. This is what you are going to get at the end of this. If you like, you can add honey, but if you can take it this way, it's good. And I want to let you know, as you are taking this, the cough will begin to, disappear without much stress. These are edible things we have in our house. Most of us, we take lemon, we take a clove, we use it to make our pepper soup. For those of us that know how to eat pepper soup in where I am coming from, we are good at that. And this also goes with this. This is clove. This is clove. This is clove. What I added to this mixture here, you will see some of them in this place. They are added into this place, just few. I have 10 pieces to this amount of ginger, and also the lemon. You don't have to add much. So if before you take this mixture, you will take just 2 of this clove. As you are getting up from your bed, you take 2 of this, wash it, and you chew it. This thing is not just there to fight the cough. It also takes care of mouth odor. It takes care of some mouth problem. If you're having some issues with your mouth, the substance inside this clove can take care of it, and you get healed from other health challenges apart from cough. So you take this early in the morning, you just chew it. After chewing it, you look for your warm water, not this mixture. Get your warm water, you drink your warm water after chewing this, and you get relief from the cough. So these are just simple things that we need to to do to get result of what we are experiencing. So we don't really need much to get a result from this issue. So the next one we will do, the next item we are going to recipe we are going to look at is this same onion. You get your onion. This is done. This is another recipe. You get your onion. After washing, you peel, you pieces them just this way. You get at least enough. You pieces them just this way, and you get your ginger. You are going to add a little bit of lemon. The next you do, you get your container or your bowl or your cup. Just pour them inside. Pour them inside your container just this way. And then you add hot water. Add your hot water to it. And cover it maybe for 10 minutes. By the time maybe you are taking your bath or you are doing one thing or the other, you'll be able to spend 10 minutes and you sieve this with your sieve and you take. You can add honey and you can drink it that way. I want to let you know that if you can take time, yes, some people will say, I don't have time for this. I just pray that we will not have issues with our health that will lead us to stay in the hospital. So what I want to let you know is that just simple things. This is clove. It's not strange. Go to your local market, you get it. This is onion. Majority of us eat onion. This is ginger. is there. This is lemon. These are the things we use for this. And this one also is honey. You don't need to go far to get any of this. If you have your onion at home, you have your ginger at home, these remedies will just, at least at that first moment, you start sensing the symptoms. You see your throat, getting, itching, you are experiencing dryness. You just get all this and you take it. Even just honey and warm water is a good start to fight cough. You don't need to have sleepless night because you are coughing. You don't need to, spend thousands of money because you are coughing. I want to let you know, with all this, you can fight this cough naturally without any side effects, and you will get your results. And if this video, you really enjoyed it, you get something from this video, please, I would like you to subscribe, like it, share it, and also don't forget to press the notification bell. If there is anything you've been applying or you've used before that helped you, I want you to put it down in the comment section, and we'll be able to share it, with time. At the same time, if you have any question, please, suggestion, whatever you want to communicate with me, please send it in the communication section. I will respond to it. And don't forget, nature is a gift. Thank you, and God bless you.